If you want to uninstall Microsoft Whiteboard because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Microsoft Whiteboard on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way.
Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Whiteboard. Click on the three dots to open the Microsoft Whiteboard app options. Click on Advanced Options. This will uninstall Microsoft Whiteboard and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Microsoft Whiteboard app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again.